Look at this. Just frozen on. Oh dear. It is currently freezing snow, rain, everything. I knew it was too good to be true. We were having such an awesome start to our winter. And then it rained for like 3 days. First day wasn't bad. It was like misty rain. Then yesterday it was like downpouring sideways. So the snowbank was so high you couldn't even see the river. Now it's shrunk. All the snow on the driveway is gone. There's still a bit on the lawn, but we've definitely lost quite a bit. You can see down over the track. So anyways, I was excited to do some stuff today, but it doesn't look like that's happening now. So I am gonna go see Toby, because I know you guys love Toby. Then I'm gonna go down to the river and show you guys what happens when that little tiny Thames River that we sit in the summer, that's only like a foot deep, turns into after it rains for 3 days and all the snow melts and drains into the river from all the fields. It gets pretty freaking crazy. I want to skip the sled, but I'm gonna make the smart executive decision not to do it today, because if I go down, I will not be coming back. This river is aggressive. So sorry sled, I know you want to see some water, but you're just gonna sit in the garage, keep the fan on, dry you off, and yeah. So anyways, let's head over to the barn. I'm gonna run out there and put my other windshield wiper up. I probably should have done that last night before obviously the freezing rain came in. There is talk of a snowstorm coming though. Someone, I don't know, I've been reading and talking with people and they said there's a snowstorm coming. We had that like warm front, so that's why everything melted with the rain. And then there's a cold front coming. And there was talk of 30 to 50 centimeters. So hopefully that's true. I don't know if it is. I just talked to Amber. She said it's snowing in Windsor right now. So fingers crossed we do get that snow and it comes back, because that would be awesome and great for the snowmobile and the sled trails and everything. But if not, well, I guess she's turning into a water skipper for the rest of the winter. So, oh, it is miserable out today. The driveway is a skating rink. All right, let's go find Toby. See if we can find him under his desk over there and see what he's up to. Toby! Hi, Tobes. What are you doing over there? Hey, buds. Are you hiding? I would be too. It's so friggin' cold outside. It's so cold outside, Tobes. Tobes, hey. You want a treat? Tobes, you want a treat? I bet you do. You shake a paw? Can we get a paw? Yeah, we can. Can we get the other paw? Yeah, we can. Can we lay down? Oh, yeah, you don't like to lay down. Laying down's for old people, right? All right, Tobes, let's get you a treat. There you go. Eat your treat. No? Go, Tobes. Want a treat? Want a treat? Here, boy. Hey, buddy. All right. We're going to be good today. We're going to do the trick for the people. Yeah, say yes. Nod. Yes. 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 Oh, there we go. He's ready. Don't bite my finger off. Aw, so close. So close, Tobes. All right, can we try this again? Sit. We're not shaking paws. Put that paw down. All right. You ready? Oh, like lightning. All right, later, Tobes. Don't you wish you could do that, cat? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, looks like we are gonna get a snowstorm. Here she comes. Such weird weather we've been having. It was like minus 30 for like a week. Then it rains for 3 days. It was plus 10 last night. And now it's like minus 10, I believe. And the storm is hitting. So I'm not mad about the storm hitting. I'm a little mad that we got all this rain, but you know, whatever. That's Canada for you. So I'm gonna roll the sled over to the lawn way over there. And then I'm gonna rip down the river and show you guys what exactly the river looks like. It is freaking aggressive. I wish I could skip it, but if I went down, I'd probably disappear and die. So I'm just gonna stand beside it today and just show you guys what it's like. All right, let's fire this thing up. So this is the river. This is where we usually sit in the summer. It's probably, I'm gonna say, at least 8 to 10 feet deep right now. It almost came up to the fence last night. You can see it came right up to there. The lawn's a bit flooded over there. The snow's coming down though. I really want to skip the river, but it's definitely not a good idea, especially just out here by myself. You can see there's tons of ice and logs floating down. So much debris, so I'm going to make the executive decision not to do it today. And just look at it and wish I was out there instead, but this river's going to be fun to skip, that's for sure. I'm just going to wait till it lowers down a little bit, until it's a little safer. You definitely wouldn't want to go down in there. I'd be gone, the sled would be gone. Whew. But it is breezy out here, breezy, chilly, snowy. I'm glad it's snowing again though. It sucks that we got all this rain. This is actually the second time the river has opened up, or frozen then opened up this year, so I wonder if it's gonna freeze again in February. You never really know, so look at it out here. She is snowing good. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up. Sorry for the short video. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on what's going on, what's happening up here in Canada. Thank you guys for watching. As always, go check out the other videos, post them on your Facebook, do everything you can to share them and be awesome. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.